The 1MORE ColorBuds 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the ColorBuds 2 by 1MORE. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, Type-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds feature 8 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, AAC SBC aptX codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction, ANC, transparency, and an app, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The case is compact and it has a matte finish all around. On the top, you have the branding. The front of the case has a status LED. And the back is a USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it has a snap to it when opening and closing. Earbuds are fairly easy to grip and remove from the case, and you also have the pairing button in the middle. This has wireless charging as mentioned earlier, and here you can see it on the charger activate. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a matte finish just like the case. On the inside face you have the ear markings. The outer face has a logo along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, sensor, microphones, LED, and touch controls. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. You can also download the 1MORE app. Once connected, you can toggle the features, change the touch assignments, along with personalizing your sounds with the SoundID feature. The case comes in at 2.3 by 1.2 by 1.5 inches. It weighs in at 35 grams, and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are. On track, now we gon' way up. W use as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Count blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going on track, now we gon' way up.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the 1MORE ColorBuds 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found them to be comfortable. They seated well in my ears and it created a tight seal. There's good passive noise isolation. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. The touch controls are a plus since they don't add additional pressure when navigating. Build and quality is decent. The case and earbuds feel durable, with a simple design and it's compact. Earbuds don't protrude out much when seated in your ears. Touch controls were not overly sensitive and responded well. Battery life is respectable at 8 hours and 24 total with the case. Having the ANC feature on will reduce it by a couple hours. I like the app integration along with the wireless charging. The ANC feature, I found it to be in line with what you expect at this price point. It canceled the surroundings fairly well, but nothing exceptional. The transparency feature was the same. It was able to pick up the surroundings loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it has its presence and it's not overwhelming. It comes in punchy and tight and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs come in clean and clear and there's good separation. I found it to be well balanced and it was a pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, the earbuds performed. It has all the features from ANC transparency to an app, and the price is competitive. So that is my review of the 1MORE ColorBuds 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.